Hi guys, welcome back to
Cooking for Kids. Today we're going to make chocolate pots.
The ingredients you'll need today are chocolate,
Butter,
marshmallows,
3 eggs,
and some sugar.
Melt together 150 grams of butter and 125 grams of chocolate. Stir consistently. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl and stir them together.
We're now going to add in 75 grams of caster sugar to our 3 eggs. We're going to stir it all together. Now that we have mixed together our sugar and eggs, we're going to add in our chocolate and butter mix.
Pour your chocolate mix into your jars, then put some marshmallows on top and add some more chocolate mix. After 20 to 25 minutes, take your chocolate pots out of the oven.
Thank you very much guys for watching another video. I hope you enjoyed. The recipe for the chocolate pots will be below the video, as well as our new Instagram name.
And make sure to give a kick and click on the subscribe button and smash the like button.
We're going to try them now. See you next time.
Bye.